This was leaving a customer February 5th, 2025, outside of Atlanta, College Park, Georgia. Go to the stop sign, stop. I make a right. And you can see this is an industrial / residential area. You come to this place that says no trucks, but we got a customer here, so that gives us permission. I go to the stop sign, and you can see it says no trucks, no trucks. No trucks turning right, but it's a straight road. How can you not turn right? You can see, start going. After stopping at the stop sign, and you notice there was traffic going the other way. And if you notice, that's solid lines. Yeah, Honda just passed me. Yeah. Thanks, Dash Games Catch. This is I-77 northbound in Virginia, almost to I-81 northbound. As you can see, to all the naysayers, I am in the right lane. And that truck was about 2 to 3 feet from the corner of my bumper guard that sticks out a foot from my bumper. And to all the drivers that say I'm always in the left lane trying to pass people, hey, I'm in the right lane. Thank you for all your views. I appreciate it. Have a great day.